Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and his entire family has sadly been thrown into mourning, and this after the passing of his eldest brother, Jack Reriani. And Rigathi Gachagua himself personally has taken to his Facebook page to pen this tribute to his brother and also share the sad news. Akiuga, my eldest bro, Jack Reriani, we spent quality time for 3 days during our inauguration. You are so happy, jovial, and full of life. We shared beautiful moments of our life back in the village. I had the opportunity to thank you for paying my school fees in high school. We agreed on your enhanced role to lead the Kirigo family in view of my national duties. We parted happily and agreed that I would come home after we settled down to discuss family matters. Little did I know that those beautiful moments we shared would be our last. The news of your passing on last night hit me hard as I remain alone among the Kirigo sons. My heartfelt condolences to your family, the Kirigo family, the larger Gachagua family, and the extended Reriani family. May the Almighty God give your wife and son strength to bear the loss. I love you big the way you have always loved me. Oh no, may he rest in eternal peace. Na DP Rigathi Gachagua says that he passed on last night. No ũhoro ũcio nĩũramũtigire na kĩeha kĩnene mũno. It hit him so hard. And he even mourns that the last time they talked, mabangĩte ũrĩa magacemania as a family after everything settles down. And that was back when DP Rigathi Gachagua was being sworn in during the inauguration. That was the last time they spent time together. They had plans. He did not know that would be the last time that he would see his brother. Arohuro kohoro, our deepest condolences to the entire Gachagua family. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.